Hello, welcome to part 2 of our series on how home security cameras work. How do home security cameras work? That's a question you would want to be answered if you are considering incorporating security cameras into your home security system. And we are set to provide you with some insight into this piece. In part 1 of this series, we discussed the differences between a webcam and a security camera. We also looked into priority features to look for in a home security camera. Today, we will conclude our discussion on those features to look for in a security camera. Let's get right into it. First, consider compatibility with security app on smartphone. A lot of security cameras can be accessed through your smartphone and other iOS devices. Others operate on some web apps which can be logged onto via your laptop. This means you can watch the video feed of your security camera on your smartphone or laptop. Accessing your security camera by the use of security apps on your smartphone comes with a lot of technical configurations. To operate with these devices, however, you will need to create an account with a username. You will need a password with which to log into your Wi-Fi network with the relevant details. Cameras that can be accessed with apps also have great features like good night vision, motion as well as a sound alert. They also have a two-way communication system with which you can communicate with your people at home or an intruder. You can also enjoy real-time live feeds from your security camera on your smartphone. Your security camera and the app must have an internet connection for this to be possible. This is also called live streaming because it enables you to view and monitor events live anytime you want to. 2. Camera's range of view. What is the coverage range of the security cameras you want to install? A security camera is usually expected to cover a particular room, area, or entry point. If that is the case, it should be able to cover that space as much as possible. Apart from the placement of the camera, the angular degree of the camera lens can increase its view range. Some security cameras equally come with a tilt and manual pan which is adjustable. They also help in increasing the camera's scope of view. Also, consider other advanced complementary features. Apart from the basic features that we have discussed found in most security cameras, many other features abound. These add-on features include special facial recognition features that can specifically identify people on your database. Some security cameras would also permit you to demarcate specific locations where you would pay particular attention to or ignore. In this way, extra surveillance is given to area you regard as blind or soft security spots in your home. 3. Camera design. The design of a security camera is very important as it could help blend the camera with its location. Most cameras usually come in a combination of black and white colors, although some also come in less prominent colors. Many security cameras also have cylindrical builds that can enable it to fit into some narrow or hidden location. Some cameras have stands that are built in while other ones come with some form of protective casing or metal gauze. In case you are particularly interested in the angling of your security camera, the ones that come with a stand will be ideal. This is because you will be able to move or turn the camera to your desired angle or direction. In view of the technological advancements in the security camera and the many models we have today, care has to be taken in choosing one. Part of this care is the ability to check out the main characteristics of each camera. This will, in turn, assist you in confirming the model that is most relevant to the security of your home. Have you noticed that more security flanks are being left open with every advancement in technology? This is portrayed in the manner we give out every important personal information in the forms we fill. Some of such forms would even want to know about our itinerary. Is this not surprising? The popularity of internet usage has exposed many people and made their homes vulnerable to security breaches. Most people have their important personal details flying around social media and within the reach of criminally minded persons. So we have gradually transited from an era where people leave their lights on while away from home to a time where we unwittingly expose ourselves and our family members. It has been argued, however, that if technological advancement has succeeded in bringing us to this position, it can as well provide a way forward security-wise. It is clear you cannot talk about a security system without a security camera. This is why we considered it of utmost importance to look more closely at this important security device. We have tried to examine how it functions in detail and the features that make it perform optimally. We are confident that you have learned a lot about how the home security camera works. This knowledge is important as it would enable you to make a good choice of the appropriate security camera for your home security. Knowing how a home security camera works would make you appreciate your security camera better. It would also greatly assist you in understanding how it works and how best to deploy it. Now that you've been equipped with enough information, please make the most of it. Let's have your feedback on what you think. We hope you have found the content we have provided you informative. Kindly click the subscribe button and turn the notification icon on, that way you're in the know whenever we post a new video. In the video description below, there's more information on how to purchase any of the devices we have discussed from Amazon. Visit our website, www.zimhomesecurity.com, for more content like this.